Today, let's talk about three companies: Sofi Technologies, PLTR Technologies, and NIO Stock. We'll cover various articles discussing these companies. First, there's an article titled Sofi. Full sense of risk creates an exceptional opportunity, which discusses a rating upgrade for Sofi. Then, we'll explore the top 5 institutions that are buying Sofi stock, which is a positive sign for the company. Next, we'll move on to PLTR Technologies. We'll discuss one green flag and one red flag that investors should be aware of before considering this company for their portfolio. We'll also touch upon how Cathie Wood of ARK Invest has been consistently adding PLTR Technologies (PLTR) stock to her ETFs, which could have a positive impact on the PLTR share price. Lastly, we'll talk about NIO Stock (NIO). They recently made a significant investment in a nuclear fusion startup, showcasing their positive outlook on the energy sector. Hello and welcome to Only Stocks, the channel that is dedicated to providing you with the latest news, insights, and analysis from the ever-evolving world of the stock market. We understand that the stock market can be quite complex and intimidating, which is why our team of experienced analysts and industry experts are here for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's start today's stories. Digital banking is Sofi Technologies' specialty. Due to various negative causes, including an analyst lowering their price objective, their stock price has fallen recently. This article indicates that Sofi's stock price decrease has been excessive and gives a wonderful buying opportunity. The author feels Sofi's unsecured personal loan risks can be handled. They say the stock is oversold and will rally, bringing investors big gains. The author now rates Sofi Technologies as a strong buy. Sofi Technologies' personal loans climbed from $13.5 billion to $15.8 billion. Sofi offers these loans to other banks for interest income, which is worrisome. If they can't sell these loans and maintain them on their balance sheet, Sofi is at risk. Sofi would pay if borrowers default, especially during economic downturns when people lose their employment. Positive news remains. Sofi's deposits have reached $10 billion, up $2.7 billion. More consumers are using Sofi as their primary financial institution and storing their money in checking and savings accounts. The company now has 5.656 million subscribers, up 433,000. Sofi Technologies benefits from this deposit and member growth pattern. Since Sofi's personal loans appear to worry people, let's discuss them again. According to Sofi's management team, these personal loan applicants have an average weighted income of $164,000 and a FICO score of 747. These well-off, credit-worthy borrowers are unlikely to fail on their debts. Sofi's loan portfolio generates income, which can boost their finances. Due to prudent borrowers, these loans are less risky than previously thought. The author also expects growth stocks like Sofi to rise once the economy normalizes around 2024, when the Federal Reserve stops raising interest rates. Thus, the sell-off and negative volatility are transient and unnecessary. Sofi stock holders and investors have a good buying opportunity. However, one should avoid overexposure to any risky growing firm, including Sofi Technologies. Let's talk about the top 5 Sofi stock bulls. First, the CEO bought millions in Sofi stock. He bought 108,000 shares at $4.67 each in May 2023 and 432,000 shares overall in 2023. Sofi's CEO and other significant institutions have invested. BlackRock holds 35.82 million shares and Vanguard 69.56 million. Silver Lake Group has 31.1 million shares, State Street 12.11 million, and Goat Capital Management 12.05 million. These institutions trust SoFi Technologies. SoFi's stock is $5.20, and price expectations fluctuate. The 12-month price target ranges from $2.50 to $8.10 per share. Research and pick a price objective that works for you. Avoid overexposure to hazardous growth companies like SoFi Technologies. PLTR Technologies news follows. PLTR provides big data analytics and artificial intelligence to businesses and governments. Great news and a critical point for investors. First, PLTR shares are up to $11.46. Shareholders benefit from this, although a pullback is anticipated following such a large advance. If you're making money at this company, take profits. PLTR's earnings announcement contributed to their rise. They earned $525 million versus $506 million expected. Their EPS of 5 cents surpassed projections of 4 cents. Revenue and EPS outperformance boosted share price. PLTR also benefits from AI hype. The company's new AI platform is attracting attention. Given the industry concentration on AI, this is significant. In the first quarter, PLTR's US business customer base climbed 50% to 155. Their segment revenue increased 26%. The company's second GAAP profitable quarter was $17 million. PLTR's sustained profitability is impressive. PLTR Technologies' earnings, new artificial intelligence platform, and customer growth have been robust. However, it's important to be cautious and not discount a share price decline following big increases. PLTR Technologies' CEO, Alex Corp, is excited about their artificial intelligence platform AIP and its potential to serve businesses and government agencies. The business is making headway in the massive artificial intelligence market. Their growth projections raise concerns. Management predicted a 30% compound annual growth rate for revenues until 2025. However, current predictions indicate slower revenue and sales growth. Their earnings report expects a 12% growth in revenue from $528 million to $532 million. Instead of the stated 30% compound annual growth rate, they are expected to earn $2.19 billion to $2.24 billion for the year. These projections are unchanged. Note that macroeconomic issues are hurting the economy and PLTR's sales. The company's future remains bright. Their valuation multiples are large. PLTR's PE is over 10 due to its 55 times non-GAAP earnings valuation and 11 times sales valuation. PE multiples under 10 are ideal. Bullish investors and experts think PLTR might be worth $15 per share, depending on risk tolerance. Other investors and analysts expect the price to fall below $6 per share. Your PLTR Technologies investment plan depends on your willingness to hold the stock. The good news is that notable investor Cathie Wood has been slowly adding PLTR to her portfolio. PLTR's analysis and artificial intelligence are unmatched. They are unique. You decide if PLTR Technologies is worth investing in. The company is selling at a premium. Patience is needed to see big rewards. Research this investment to be sure it fits your risk management, investing style, and other variables. NIO Fusion, an electric vehicle manufacturer, invested heavily in fusion technology. NIO invested $995 million for roughly a 20% interest, while their CEO, William Li, invested $505 million for 10.1%. NIO and William Li own 30% of NIO Fusion. This investment in fusion energy could assist NIO in the long run, especially as other businesses explore other vehicle power sources like hydrogen. NIO's share price is $7.82, but analysts think it's worth over $15 per share. Price targets range from $10 to $25. This implies that the $7 share price is cheap, making it a good buy. NIO won't make money until 2026. Thus, meaningful gains may take time. NIO's financials are expected to improve by the third quarter of 2023, which may boost the share price. Always research investments. Finally, NIO's top 5 investors are Bailey, BlackRock, Vanguard, State Street, and Goldman Sachs. These esteemed financial firms own major corporate stakes. NIO's Chinese background and varied accounting principles pose geopolitical risks. NIO, Sofi Technologies, and PLTR Technologies are worth watching, and I'd love to hear your comments. As always, thanks for tuning in. I hope you found it informative and valuable in your investment journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date on the latest insights and analysis on the stock market. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your buddies. Remember, investing in the stock market can be complex and risky, so make sure to do your own due diligence and research before investing your hard-earned money. Catch you on the next one.